Little robot game. Oh,
Good morning, dinosaur.
Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to another vlog. Today is...
It's candy day.
No, it's not candy day.
I'm gonna put my Lego now.
Okay, so today is Sunday and it's now like a week since we are... Actually, more than a week na since nung nakabalik kami galing ng bakasyon. Hi, Rafa.
Yeah.
So, today since Sunday and maganda yung weather sa labas. So, baka mag-walking kami or mag-hiking or mag-bicycling kami. Yung mga bata nakapag-breakfast na. It's now actually 8:45 in the morning and I just have my coffee. You hate this one?
I hate this little robot game.
Oh, what about I will help you then? Would you like that? Okay, so where are we now? So
I'm still here.
we're still here in the third part. Okay.
Number 10.
It looks okay. You just need to put the red two of
Okay,
those.
but then see what will happen.
Good. And then you will add this piece.
Oh, so we should do it this part.
Yes, exactly. Just try to calm down. You don't need to get angry right away.
It's time to do this.
Okay, good. So, nire-ready ko na lang yung aming magiging baon. At pagkatapos, mag-start na din kaming mag-prepare para lumabas. So, ang plan namin for today ay magbisiklita kami. Since medyo matagal-tagal kami hindi nakapag-bisiklita na kasi nga galing kami sa bakasyon. So, and yung weather is sobrang perfect for bicycling. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Gumawa din ako ng sandwich para may pang-snacks mamaya pag nag-buy kami sa labas. Meron pa akong extra dito. Ooh, look at that. Ready na kaming mag-bike? I don't know about that, love.
The last day goes, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. A moment's forever, the next just a blink. And this elastic time, we sink or swim. So hold on tight to now, 'cause time will wait for you. This elastic flow, each second's precious true.
So nice. Wow. Okay, we're gonna go up there. Hi.
I kind of go bike now.
Let's rest a little bit here.
But I'm just gonna fall asleep here.
Okay, katugo na ka? Wow. You can.
I don't like the salad. Then give it to Papa.
Oh, good boys. So, let's count how many steps are there. Do you know? 23? Okay, I will count. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Mama, give me the more spice.
That's kind of
19, 20. Ano 23?
Look, 21, 72. Look, Mom, it is 23.
Alright, so we are now back home.
From the bicycle trip.
Yes, you're right. And it's only me and Andres at home at the moment. Asa man si Papag si Kuya Rafa?
She went to swim. They went to swimming pool.
Yes, they are at Lalandia. Andres cannot go because...
I'm coughing so much and I'm sick.
Yeah, he's a little bit sick. So we decided to stay home.
And we can...
So, Sunday afternoon update. Ako na lang naiwan dito sa bahay kasi si Andres, after naming mag-nap, ay kinuha siya ng asawa ko at nagpunta sila sa Monkey Tanky kasi tapos na din silang mag-swimming. So, napunta lang sila sa parang indoor na playground. So, ako na lang dito mag-isa. And of course, time check is now 5 o'clock actually. So, hapon na siya. And nagko-coffee ako. Siyempre, Pinay tayo. Mahilig tayong mag-coffee. So, nagko-coffee ako. And hindi ko alam kung ginagawa niyo ito. Sinawsaw-saw namin yung meron akong fita dito, crackers. It's one of my favorite. Galing pa tong Pinas. It's still unopened. And bubuksan natin to. Kasi sa Pinas, naalala ko, pag magko-coffee kami, lagyan natin dito. Kasi gusto kong magsawsaw. So, bubuksan ko to siya. Oh. So, dahil mag-isa lang tayo dito, feeling Pinas. Ayan. So, and then isasawsaw natin siya. I don't know, it might look weird sa iba pag pinanoto, but ganito kami magkape. Kahit tanghali nagkakape, nagsasawsaw. Tastes like Philippines. Yeah. And of course, dahil tomorrow is Monday, so school din ng mga bata. So, i-prepare ko din yung mga gamit nila, especially yung gamit ng panganay ko kasi nasa school na siya. Pero yung bunso ko, nasa kindergarten pa siya. So, wala pa siyang masyadong mga libro. As in, walang libro kasi kindergarten dito sa Denmark kasi is mostly mga laro lang. And ako naman, na-motivate ako na i-continue ko tong vlog ko sa YouTube. And I know maliit lang yung mga views ko. Anyways, dahil nagko-coffee na ako, gusto ko lang sigurong tapusin na yung vlog na to for today. And I would like to say thank you for watching. And see you again sa mga susunod ko pang mga videos. Maraming salamat! Bye!